Alright, you ready to dig in?
Yeah.
Let's see the little blueberries. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, buddy, my channel.
Emma, what we doing today? Blueberry Chex.
Yeah, come.
I'm coming. Hi guys, welcome back to
Emma TV.
If you're new to Emma TV, welcome. Please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, right, Emma?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can get all Emma new videos, right? Yeah. So today Emma and I will be trying this new blueberry chex. You ready, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the bowl. Bowl for you. One bowl for me. Milk.
Wow. Nice. Mommy, what does smell?
Emma, why do you have to smell everything?
They smell like blackberries.
Smell like what?
Blackberries.
Bad berries?
Yeah.
It's blueberries.
Smells like blueberries.
Yeah, it smells like blueberry, not bathberries. What is bathberries? We had Chex before, but we never had the blueberry. Mommy love Chex.
I got chips too. I chips.
Sound like you said I love chips. Alright, you ready to dig in?
Yeah.
Let's see the little blueberries. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
But not bad. And then,
You said not bad?
yeah.
It's good, you can taste the blueberry. You know it's good when Emma goes, So Emma, is this a Tom's? Wait, I wouldn't say you finished it. Is it? You finished?
Yeah.
Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs stamp?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up for me too, guys. It's really good. You want to try it without milk and let them know how you like it, with milk or without milk? Both. You need to try it the other way. How you talk about both ways? Go ahead, Emma. Tell them. What do you see in your bowl? Little tiny blueberries.
Yeah.
And it changed the color of your milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, Emma eat all her cereal. Good, 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 good.
Kids, look.
So now we're going to try it dry without milk. Right, Emma?
Yeah.
See which way we like it better.
Okay, good.
Do you like it dry?
Yeah.
You like it dry and with milk or just dry?
That's dry.
You don't like it with milk? I find that hard to believe because she ate the whole bowl. I like it with milk and without milk. The one with the blueberry itself tastes really good.
Yeah.
This one don't have. So this is a win-win for me. Emma, is this a win-win for you?
No, that's a win-win to me.
Should mommy and daddy buy this again? Shall we buy it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will buy it again. It's really good.
Oh.
Hey, that was for me! Look at that little tiny one. You want that one? I'm gonna really enjoy it. You sure did. So this is a big thumbs up or big thumbs down?
Big thumbs up.
Big, 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 big thumbs up for me too.
Bye-bye. Hope you like this video. Give the big thumbs up. Ooh, yeah. And subscribe.
What Emma said. Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram, and Google Plus.
And Facebook.
Guys,
if you tried the Blueberry Chex, comment down below and let us know if you like it. If you haven't, comment down below and let us know if you would like to try it. Right, Emma?
Yeah.
Bye, guys. Catch you on the next video.